In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Poly to Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your Slack application. Then, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. You'll find a navigation menu that will help you navigate through different features in Slack. Go ahead and scroll all the way down to the bottom of that menu. You should see an option that says Add Apps. Click on that. Now, once you click on Add Apps, a search bar will pop up. This is where you can look for various apps to enhance your Slack experience. In that search bar, type in Poly. Hit Enter and you should see Poly appear in the search results. Click on Poly and then you'll see a button that says Add, or possibly Add to Slack. Go ahead and click that button. At this point, a new browser window is going to open up asking for some access permissions because Poly needs to connect with your Slack workspace. This is completely normal. You will need to click Allow to grant Poly the necessary permissions to operate within your Slack environment. Once you've done that, you're almost set. After granting those permissions, follow the on-screen prompts to finalize the basic setup. Poly will ask you a few questions about how you plan to use the app. For example, you might be using it for HR work, team check-ins, or maybe even engineering purposes. After you've made your selections, click on Finish Up. Great! Now that Poly is installed, you'll notice it appears in the Apps section of your left sidebar. Click on Poly, and you're all set to create your first poll. Inside the Poly interface, look for the option that says Create a Poly, and select that. When you do, you'll see some options regarding your target audience. You can choose who you want to send the poll to. This could be your teammates, coworkers, or even a specific group within your workspace. Choose your audience based on what suits your needs. After selecting your audience, you'll move on to deciding your objective. What are you hoping to achieve with this poll? Are you looking to collect feedback on a recent project? Perhaps you want to set up a suggestion box for your team, or maybe you're organizing a monthly snack poll to see what everyone wants to munch on. Choose the option that best fits your needs. Once you've set your audience and objective, you can start crafting the poll questions and options. This is where you get creative, so think about what kind of responses you want to gather. When you're finished creating your poll, simply hit the Send button and your audience will be able to respond right within Slack. That's it. You've successfully connected Poly to Slack and created your first poll. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy using Poly to